Hey guys, today I'm gonna be sharing with you how I develop my apps from scratch to the point where I publish them on Play Store. And in today's video, we're gonna be creating a Visual Basic app that contains past examination papers. So let's get into it.
Unbuggable, it's your girl, Wawuda Laura.
First things first, before developing an app, you must ask yourself these questions. Why am I developing this app? What solution am I providing? And who am I creating this app for? These are vital questions that you want to ask yourself before actually embarking on the development journey of an app. So for this specific case, I would respond like this. And I have it written down, so I'm just going to be reading it back to you. So, why am I developing this app? I have seen a gap in the availability of Visual Basic past papers. I would like to earn some money from it by providing a solution. That's the reason why I'm developing that app. Of course, I'd like some compensation for the work that I'm doing, but it's also going to be a free app. So, how am I going to do that? That means I have to incorporate AdMob when I am building my app, basically. So, question number 2, what solution am I providing? I am making it easier for students to be able to access Visual Basic past papers offline on their mobile devices. Simple. Who am I creating this app for? I am creating it for IT, computer science students, and KNEC ICT students. So I have a really specific target for the people that I'm creating this app for. It's not that I'm just walking up and be like, oh, I want to create this app, but who am I creating this app for? You have to have like somebody you are creating this app for.
Now that is established, we get to work on the design stuff. I like to call it the fun stuff. Here we get to pick the theme color for the app, design the app's icon, and the user interface. As for the theme color, I saw this beautiful peachy color on Canva and I fell in love right away. And I knew this was the color I was gonna use when creating my Visual Basic app. So I'm not gonna get into the nitty-gritty of how to use Adobe and design stuff. If you guys want me to, you could leave a comment on the comment section and I'll be happy to do a tutorial on how I design my stuff, my icons, my apps, and everything. Yeah. So I don't know why the icon looks brown. Maybe it's my screen recorder, but I promise you guys it has this peachy color and it's also looking like red from my camera angles. And yeah, I guess it's just the screen recorder and my camera, but I promise you it's very peachy. Now we're done and I am so happy to say that we have successfully created our app icon. So I already know how the user interface will look like since I have similar apps like this one. Examples are internet-based programming, management information system, object-oriented programming, and just many more. I also have mobile games, but in this video we're not focusing on that. But if you'd like to check it out, I've left a link on the description box down below. So feel free to download it, share it with friends, play, leave a review on your user experience. Yeah. Time for the technical part, and on this part all we're gonna do is code, and I hope you're getting some sort of satisfaction on how fast I'm doing this. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but all this is fast forwarded. And I always get this satisfaction when I see other programmers just programming. And I know it's like fast forwarded and stuff, but just to see how things come together in the end gives you some sense of peace and relaxation. I don't know if it's just me, but okay, maybe I'm weird, but aren't we all? Guys, remember that icon we created earlier? This is where we're gonna use it, on our image assets and on our splash screen. Now let's test our app to see if all the features are working. Since everything is working, now let's publish our app on Play Store, and we're gonna wait for it a bit to finish uploading. And yay! So in a few days time, I'm gonna receive an email that informs me my app has been reviewed and it's live on Play Store. And if I've not followed any regulations or guidelines, which I highly doubt, they're gonna tell me the reasons why it's disapproved. But you know what, your girl pro. That's it for me today. I hope you have subscribed, given this video a thumbs up. As always, stay unbuggable. Have a lovely week ahead. Bye bye.